Hello little artist. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. In today's video, we learn how to draw a beautiful dress. First we start the neck and hand side. Then we draw waist part of the dress. Next we draw the length of the dress. Dresses are fun and colorful clothing for children. Kids often wear dresses to special events like parties. There are many different styles of dresses, from simple to fancy. Some dresses have pockets, which kids like to use. Star shape. Red color. Dresses can be worn for play, for fun, or for celebrations. Dresses can be made of various materials, like cotton or silk. Kids can choose dresses in their favorite colors and patterns. Yellow color. Many dresses have frills, ruffles, or other decorative details. Green color. Dresses can be matched with accessories like shoes and headbands. Green color. Choosing the right dress helps kids feel confident and happy. Blue color. Blue color. Green color. Green color. Pink color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.